Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, giveaway. We have a review and a giveaway for you in today's video. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of October. I love October. It's my birthday month. We are giving away the Natasha Denona Ayana palette. Have that on my eyes today. Love, love, love it. This is a $48 palette. This is mine. I have a brand new one for you. Giveaways are really easy. Just be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. So, like I said, mine, yours. Let's open yours up just so you can sneak peek it. I do not give away swatched, used, anything like that. Here is your palette. This one is mine. Yes, I have two. This one's mine. This one's yours. This one is going back in the box right now so we don't get them mixed up. I love the Natasha Denona formula. It's one of my favorite. A lot of these shades are also in her Glam palette. So if you have the Glam palette, you probably don't need this one. But let's do some swatches. I did kind of an everyday look and kind of this glam look. And then we'll show you how I got each of those two looks and give you my final thoughts. Look at this Harlow. It's like a gray shimmer. It is just absolutely beautiful. I do have that as the main color all over my lids today. It is a little crumbly, so just be on the lookout for that one. You guys, the Natasha Denona formulas, they are amazing. They blend so beautifully. Last all day, high pigmentation. Love it. Lash line here, I used a lot on the lower lash and then also as a transition shade. This makes the most stunning inner corner highlight all over lid shade. Love, love it. It's Salon Skin. It's this gorgeous shimmer. Crease is exactly what it is. I used this as crease and outer corner buildup. Really dark brown matte. Here you have Glam Queen. Just a really pretty transition shade. Okay, now let's get into the two different looks that I created.
Editing Christina here. I think I read those names that are on the palette as the shade names in the backwards order. Sorry about that.
So for today's look, I'm going to do a really quick, easy, kind of everyday look, mainly using this shade here and these two shades here for today's look. So I do want this one to be my crease and outer corner. We'll use this one as our transition. And then we'll use this one as an all over lid shade. So let's take that crease shade first. And I like coming, when I'm doing this technique I'm doing today, I like coming down because I have such limited lid space. And this just helps me kind of use more real estate. So, and it helps me kind of go above the crease a little bit as well to make that false crease a little bit higher. Okay, let's kind of blend that out just a little bit, small circular strokes. I do want to use that transition just a little bit above that one. So go right to the line, blend it into the line of that other one a little bit, and then come up. I do want a tight line on the lower lashes of this one, and then we will buff it out with this one. Connecting that outer corner. Kind of buffing it out with that lighter shade. And now let's take that shimmer all over the lid. It's just a really pretty, nice, everyday look. I'm going to go in with a brush because of my fingers I can't get into the very inner corner. And take a little bit on that lower waterline. And it's still with that shimmer. Okay, let me go put some mascara and lips on and I will be right back. Here's the finished look. Be right back with the next one, which is going to be our glam look. So I think I want to go pretty glam for today. So we're going to go transition, crease, outer corner, build up, and then let's take this over the lid, make this in the inner corner. It's gonna be fun. So let's start by taking this and just do a little tappy tappy. Let's use for today our little crease line kit that I talked about in a previous video. I did take the bigger of the little attachment pieces because I do want a pretty glam look for today. And this is a total way to make a higher crease if you have hooded eyes like I do. Now what you can do is you can always take this on a more denser brush and just go right underneath kind of what you did, just a little bit, and it will darken up what you just did, but it's the same shade gradient. And it takes a little to no blending to make that pop. Now I do want to take this outer one in the outer corner. And I love how this has like a triangle kind of dense shape. So we can just basically stamp it in. Now let's blend that a little bit. Now because I am doing such a glamour look, I do want to take this dark shade right up next to that lash line, get every piece of available space that I can. Almost acts as a liner. Now let's take this one all over the lid. I'm just gonna use my finger and do a little tap, tap, tap. And this is where the look so comes together. Now I do have a little bit of shimmer that got up here that I don't want. So let's just kind of knock that all off. This shade is pretty crumbly, so just be careful with that. But really easy to knock off any fallout. Now let's take this one and just lower lash. Kind of smoke this out, concentrating on that outer corner, bringing whatever's left inside. Now I do want to tight line that dark shade, especially in that outer corner. Connect the two, bring whatever's left inside. And no additional product, just kind of going over that lightly, buffing the two together, look up. Okay, let me go put on some mascara and lips and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. Secret word, Libra. It's so much fun playing with this. You could do so many different things with this. I really like this palette. It goes from day, work to evening. Love this. I love her formula. I can't wait for one of you guys to get your hands on it. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it that secret word and your YouTube name. That way I can verify that yes, you are subscribed to the channel. You can get bonus entries. How you get bonus entries is one. If you follow me over on Instagram, that'll get you a bonus entry. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and any of your help and all of your help will be greatly appreciated. If you did do those bonus entries and you mark on the form that you did, make sure that you do so because I do check on them. Giveaways open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. Make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Let's have this giveaway go through November 12th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then we'll do our announcement where we kind of spin the wheel on November 17th. And I'll put in there your first name and your first initial of your last name to our spin the wheel, and then I will also put on there if you have bonus entries. And then the computer spins it, it picks it. I don't, so don't ask me to win. As soon as the giveaway is over and I've mailed out the prizes, I do go ahead and delete all the forms. Nobody else has access to those forms but me. Your privacy is very important to me. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. If you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I try and do a giveaway from each of my unboxings here on this channel. If you like this video, hit that like button. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I would greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. Welcome to October, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway.